We've dropped in to see Andy from Bedford CNC. Now, we've known Andy 3 or 4 years, but experienced engineer. How long have you actually been in the game, Andy? Go on.
40 years now. So I left school in '79. I went to do my apprenticeship at WH Allen's in Bedford.
Which many people probably know. Closed down now. Used to have 3,000 people.
At least, yeah, around about there. Different times, 3,000 people at one time. So it's a really big engineering company.
And I hasten to add, I think our MD, Paul Jones, used to work there, but I think they got rid of him fairly quickly.
I don't know. I never came across him. So
anyway, moving on very swiftly. This is about you taking the business to that next level. So you've engaged you've built a team around you.
Trying to build a team around me. I've changed accountants, and we've got a coach on board to help me in certain areas. We've also got PSL Datatrack and one or two other things that are coming up. We're on LinkedIn a lot more. We're on Twitter. So we're doing the social media side of the business. And we've had business cards done, new up-to-date ones. So, yeah, we're just trying to make a bigger presence for Bedford CNC.
Okay, so take it to the next level, of which you mentioned PSL Datatrack. Now, you've recently taken that on board. I'm thinking, because in the scheme of things, you're not a big company, but I'm thinking PSL Datatrack, software for the company, I've got to be 50 machines, 10 men, something like that?
No, not at all. We've got 4 CNC machines here, and we're a very small company, but you can actually build PSL Datatrack to what you want within your company. So it's a modular system. We've taken on one module, which is the quotation software, and then we're going to build on that as we get used to the software.
Okay. As I understand, 26, I won't hold you to it, I think 26 modules?
Oh, I think so. I'll take your word for it, Colin.
Okay, no problem. But you just take, as you said, the one module, which is quotations, the module. What were you doing before using the PSL Datatrack system?
Before PSL, we were just doing it by emails. So a quotation would come in and we'd just write the email out and then put the price on there, and it didn't look very professional. So now we've got a system where it will email the customer the drawing as well as the quotation, all on letterheads and all very professional looking.
So again, part of the whole package, taking the business that next level.
Yeah, taking the next level, making us with a presence on social media, and also with the letterheads that the quotation does. It makes it a very professional outfit.
Okay, so it combines it all for you, just at the press of the button, essentially.
Yeah, once you've got used to the system, you have to put in your customer details and the address for the customer, then the drawing number. Then all you do is you click onto your hourly rate, then how much machining time it is, and it works it all out for you.
So all nice and simple. And then, as you said, you can send out the quote and attach a drawing as well.
Yes, you can, yeah. So that everyone knows what they're doing, and we've got the right drawing with the right quotation, so that going forward, if the order does come in, we're already up and running with what we need to do.
Okay. Now, before, as part of your drive to build the business further, I understand you've engaged with social media, and you've actually got an opportunity to do 9 quotes over the last 24 hours. How long would that taken you previously, and how long with PSL Datatrack?
9 quotes would have taken me at least a couple of hours previous to PSL Datatrack, but now 20 minutes. It was just so easy to just add in the drawing number, add in the job title, and it's just a few clicks and the quotation's there. You can also add 2 or 3 lines to the quotation so that you don't send individual ones. It's done in a block. Okay.
Now, that's absolutely fantastic and really streamlining your business. But you've made that decision to use PSL Datatrack. Now, Jeff and the team, did he just phone up? Did you just phone up, or did he come out? How did you embrace the actual system?
No, Jeff's been out here to see us and gathered information about our business and what we do and how we work. He's taken away the logos that we want, and we've interacted over the phone. He's also been back to check over to make sure that everything is right. And then when you get the system, all you do for the initial training is done over the phone. They can remotely log into your screen and show you around the system. And within a couple of hours, we were familiar with what's going on.
Right, so basically the whole process has been user-friendly, building that relationship, and streamlined.
Yeah, massively so. And when you're a busy engineering company, you haven't got sometimes the time to go away for a day. It's all done online, done over the phone, and it's just so easy.
Okay, so like I say, very, very easy. So, again, we're going to reiterate, taking the business forward, is PSL Datatrack essential to your business now?
Certainly is now. I wouldn't go back to the old system, and I think what we'll do in time is add to the system so that we do other parts of the modules that come along. And that's up to us when we do that. So. And
again, because it's modular, you can add it as and when you like.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, certainly.
Andy, great endorsement of PSL Datatrack, taking Bedford CNC to the next level. Thank you very much.
Thank you.